Have you ever wondered how AI Video Maker with Music actually works? In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Welcome back to AI Tools Hub. Today we're diving deep into AI Video Maker with Music. If you're new here, we break down the latest AI tools and workflows so you can work smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. So first, let's understand what AI Video Maker with Music actually is and why everyone is talking about it right now. AI Video Maker with Music is an innovative solution that's changing how people work with technology. What makes it special is that it can automate repetitive tasks while maintaining quality and consistency. And the best part? You can start using it today with minimal setup. Getting started with AI Video Maker with Music is actually easier than you might think. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, visit the official website and create your account. Step 2, go through the quick setup wizard. Step 3, start your first project using the built-in templates. That's literally it. So does AI Video Maker with Music actually deliver results? Absolutely. People are using it to save over 10 hours per week on manual tasks, produce professional quality output without expert skills, and even scale their personal or business projects effortlessly. The productivity gains are incredible.